Sorry ulit guys, part 4 na to, nakat ko kasi. So ito pala guys no, yung violet namin, IPP. IPP. Hindi ko alam anong mean sa IPP. Basta IPP. Yan guys. May powder pala siya dito. Then then next guys. Sorry guys, kakanta kasi siya. Is yellow guys, yellow. Mape pala yung yellow namin guys. Composition ulit.
Lupat mo rin.
Ano? Yun. Next guys. Ay, tapos na ito no, yung green. Yung ay, hindi guys. Yellow pala yung mape. Then, itong orange is science. Yan. Composition ulit. Wala te. Next guys is black. Writing pala to guys kasi community notebook. Yung writing. Then next guys is itong writing activity. Writing ulit. Yeah. Ito guys, mga folder ko guys. Yan.
Bangun na rin.
Hala!
Say.
Samna. So sorry guys. Yun guys, lahat. Then yung mga folder ko, envelope brown, wait lang. Yan guys no, I folder pala. Dalawang folder long with plastic, then itong envelope brown. Yan lahat lang guys. Blue, eraser, sharpener, tumatawag ko yung sharpener, color pencil, lapis, ballpen, marker. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching guys. Pasensya pala sa lahat, hindi ako nakapag-vlog nung bumili kami ng school supply.